If you work hard and play by the rules, you're supposed to get ahead.
You have two kinds of people, the rich people and everybody else working for the rich people.
Our middle class is falling apart. We saw an explosion of inequality.
There is no such thing as a free lunch.
My plan is real simple. Everybody gets a basic guaranteed income.
Wenn das Grundeinkommen eingeführt werden würde, weil es die Gesellschaft denken kann, dann verändert sich die ganze Welt.
A type of freedom that most human beings have never experienced before.
Auf alle Fälle ist das bedingungslose Grundeinkommen eine Machtumverteilung. In diesem Sinne ist es auch eine Weiterentwicklung der Demokratie auf das nächste Level.
It probably carries with it a rather radical redefinition of work, and with automation and cybernation with us now, we will probably have to do that in our society anyway.
The replacement of human beings by computers and robots is going to go on a huge scale.
When do you think will be the time when we don't need taxi drivers anymore?
I think it's the future.
The idea of a basic guaranteed income has the potential to make a comeback.
Everybody, if they want to remain part of the middle class, are going to need some supplemental income.
Ja, natürlich ist es finanzierbar.
We all could go on perpetual vacation.
This land was made for you and me.